In this video, I'm going to cover how to download and utilize your marketing assets that you have received from Real Estate Photographer Pros. So this is the email, the first delivery email that goes out right after everything has been completed so that all your marketing assets have been uploaded into an online gallery and you can download those and manage those. So there's a large download icon here. This is the delivery email. This is an actual email that we sent to Robert, and I've just sent it to myself so I can walk you through this. So there's a download icon here. There's also a download link here. Takes you to the same identical place. There's a reminder about our marketing kit that has all of your social media marketing assets. Then in this email, for the things they ordered, there's a YouTube link to their YouTube video that we did a walkthrough video for them. We did a floor plan tour video, and then we did a 3D video. So they have 3 videos associated with this property. That would not be there for every property, but for this property, they ordered some extra items. So they have all 3 of those YouTube links. So we upload everything to YouTube on our YouTube channel, but we also make it available so you can download it and upload it to your social media platforms and your YouTube channel too. There's a property website that is branded to the real estate agent, and then there's an unbranded property website. And these all these YouTube links and these property websites are shareable links. So these can be shared with other real estate agents. They can be shared on RealTracs. They can be shared on social media platforms. And the advantage of having shareable links, it's all done for you. So the property website's there, it's done. You just share the links, and you've got an unbranded version. So if the other agents in your office that you're working with need some marketing assets, they have a property website here that they can work with, and they can help you promote this property. You have an owner preview. You can send this link to the preview link to the owner so they can preview everything. You have a reminder to download our real estate agent marketing app so you can do manage your marketing. You can book shoots, change schedules. It's a simple app. It's free, and it will help you with managing your marketing assets. Of course, you have social media links. You have a referral code. It's a $100 referral code. So if you give this referral code to a real estate agent and they use the referral code, so when you order, there's a reminder to use your referral code. So this is a referral code that you would give to another real estate agent. When they use it, it will give $100 towards your next order. So it's $100 off on your next order, and they too will receive a referral code. And there's a different referral code for every order. So it's like you're getting $100 off on your next order if you will help let other agents know about our services and they use that referral code. Okay, there's also, this is huge, an access. You can create an online account with us. It's free. And what that looks like is it will create an online suite where it will keep all of your marketing assets, all of your orders in a very organized system. You can see your referral codes listed out here. So you can come back and revisit this. If you need a copy of something, you need a copy of an invoice, you need to download, you need a link, you have an online suite where you can manage all of that on our platform, and that is free. So now I'm going to go in. Let's go back to the email here. We're going to go to download media. You want to read over this, make sure you see everything there, and then click accept. And then here's all your marketing assets in one platform. You've got shareable links. You've got codes. So if you want to put some of this information into a website that you have separate than our platform, you have the codes to do that, and you have the links to do that. So this is a preview platform, a download platform, and links to where you can share this information on websites or social media channels. Here's your download right here. Download right there. Original file, reduced resolution. So in this example, it's the same, but there's your download link for these videos. Here's your download link for your photos. We've got the original size and the website size. So most of the time for real estate photos, you're just going to download the listing size right here. If you need to change it for some reason, you can change it. But this right here, this category will take care of you 99% of the time. If you need to preview or download individual photos, you can do that right here. But if you download here, this will download all of your photos right there. So you're not having to do individually. A lot of times people think they have to individually go through and download individuals. No, you can download everything right here. And it's going to download onto your computer as a zip file. So then you will need to go to your download folder and retrieve that. All right, that is the photos. If you've ordered floor plans, you can download the floor plans here individually, but those should download in your download when you click the master download. All right, this is, I can look at your social media marketing materials. That's just a preview of what you were seeing there on that last page, and then the preview shows again here. So now we've gone from the videos, the photos, and the floor plans. You've downloaded all that content. Now you have hundreds and hundreds of social media templates that are pre-made for you that are inside the social media marketing kit. So I want to point out this gray arrow right here. In every category, you can extend that out, and there's other examples. So there's several categories. We're going to go through all of these. So we're in this marketing kit, the social media area. These are pre-made social media templates that are ready to go. And there are social media reels. And then you can click in and edit the reels, but they should be ready to go. There shouldn't be really any reason to edit them, but you are welcome to edit them and modify them and change them and update them every few weeks as we go through a season. These seasonal themes will change. So if you go from June and we get into July, there will be a July theme here. We get into September, there will be a September theme here. We get into the October, there will be an October theme. So we're still in one category right here, and you have all of these reels to choose from. And they can walk you through the sales site, like just listed, just sold, open house. So you have the complete sales cycle laid out here, and you have lots of choices. There are literally hundreds of these. You would not need all of these, but just the idea would give you more than enough so you have exactly what you need. Now we're in the stories category for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And again, there's a gray arrow here. I'm not going to click on it this time. So if you click down on that, you will see more examples. And these are story posts. These are landscape posts for Facebook and Instagram. And there are more choices right there. These are square posts for Instagram and Facebook. Pinterest posts. We encourage everyone to have a Pinterest page because it is search engine optimized, meaning when someone searches for you or a property, Pinterest will show up. YouTube does the same thing. If you have a business Facebook page and a business Instagram page, it is also searchable. Private personal pages are not so searchable, not easy to find. So we encourage everybody to have a business YouTube channel, business LinkedIn, business Instagram, and a business Facebook. There's advantages to having all those on a business setting inside all of your platforms. If you need help with that, we can help you set those up. Square posts, so these are short videos that you can host on any social media platform, and these are great for YouTube, so you can put these on your YouTube channel. This is a QR code, just examples there, QR code pre-made and done for you that will come back to the property or the property website. It'll come back to the property website we've built for you. These are printed brochure templates, and there's several versions here. There's a 4-page version, an 8-page version, another 8-page version, then another 4-page version. 1-page handout flyers, and there's several versions here that are pre-made for you, branded and unbranded. And you can also go in and edit any of these templates. You can edit all of the social media marketing materials we're giving you. Each week, if you activate your social media content, there's an activation area. Turn it on. If you need help with that, we can turn it on. It's just putting in the date, the go live date. It will create a weekly report, and then it'll let you know how many people are visiting your property website. So you want to put in your property website inside RealTracks, and you want to continue to post your property website on all of your social media platforms. So people will visit the property website, and it will showcase the property in a professional setting. So it's a little bit better than RealTracks. It shows high resolution photos. It shows the videos all on one platform. And sometimes on RealTracks, it condenses the photos down to a size where it makes them hard to view. So sometimes the viewing experience is not exactly what you want. If you use the property website, you'll have a better viewing experience, and it will collect information for you so that you get a weekly report on what people are doing on your property website, and it will give you the opportunity to collect leads there. All right, let me go to the property website for this property and just show that to you. So I'm going to go back to the email, go back here, property. This is the branded version. So, and there's different types of websites. If you can always edit the way this website is laid out. You just click a button and it'll click to another viewing experience. So you've got your videos, the details, the videos again, because this property has several different videos, has your floor plans, contact information, and map. And then as you scroll down, all that information is right there. So property description, more videos. This is a floor plan that we did, and then the floor plan is synced with the photos. So you can click on the floor plan and it will show the photo, or you can click on the photos and it will show you where you are on the floor plan. This is a 3D animated video walkthrough. So this is this video is the live walkthrough. So it's actually how the home is now, and this is how the home could be if it was perfectly staged. You've got all the photos and videos right here. You can expand this out and see everything. You can click in and go through a slideshow viewing. For that property, we did some virtual edits for the exterior, the front and the back. And your floor plans are here. We uploaded the floor plans with measurements and without measurements, so they're both. You can always modify that and just load up the floor plans you prefer. We always, when we do floor plans, we always give two different versions: floor plans with measurements and floor plans without measurements. That way you have choices, and we have PDF files and JPEG files. And then on this property, we did the 3D color floor plans. Then we have the real estate agent's contact information, and then we have a map for viewing the property. So, and then this can be copied. You can copy this. You can go out to Facebook, and let's go over to, and then we can do a Facebook post on this property and kind of see what it looks like. It's going to pull up the icon photo there, or the hero photo, and then you can put in your information here, and then you could share this. I always encourage people to do this too. Go at followers and put a space in there. If you do at followers or at top fans, you will get a few more views. When you do just a general post, you're only getting about 1 or 2% of the people to see your post. When you add in the at top fans or at followers, you'll get a few more views because it will alert people that are following you, or it will alert your top fans. Then you can also do this. So you go here and post in groups, and you can go in, and here's Giles County. We'll do several groups here. So now we're posting on our business Facebook page. We're going to post in groups. And we'll do that all at one time. And the property website's going to go out. So I'm not having to upload. There's one more thing that's about right. And then share that. And that goes out to 7 Facebook groups. And it's going to go out on my Real Estate Photographer Pro business page. And then I could go over to my personal page and do the same thing. And then I could go over to my other business page, Kenneth Purdom Photography, and do the same thing, but use different groups that would still be related to property. So you could get, in this example, you could get about 30 different posts, you could say. You could do, a post to 5 groups, a post to 5 groups, and a post to 5 groups, for example, and you would have multiple exposures just in a few seconds. All right, that is how to download your photos and your marketing assets and how to utilize the marketing assets. So you want to come back every few days. There's no reason to download all of these social media templates at one time. You just want to keep the email handy, keep your links handy, and every other day, come back and download a template and post it on your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, and then share it, and then put some content with it to your tags and some verbiage with each post to get attention and promote your property, promote your business, and promote your agency. All right. Thank you.